Welcome to our video on the top 10 most promising climate solutions, where we will explore the innovative strategies and technologies emerging to combat climate change. As the world faces unprecedented environmental challenges, these solutions offer hope by reducing greenhouse gas emissions and promoting sustainability. Join us as we dive into each potential game-changer, from renewable energy expansion to innovative cooling technologies, and discover how they can shape a greener future for our planet. 1. Renewable energy expansion. Renewable energy expansion is all about harnessing the power of nature to fuel our world. By scaling up solar, wind, geothermal, and hydroelectric energy, we can significantly reduce our reliance on fossil fuels. Fossil fuels, when burned for electricity, release massive amounts of greenhouse gases, which are the primary culprits behind global warming. Solar panels on rooftops and wind turbines on planes are no longer just visions of the future. They are rapidly becoming integral parts of our energy landscape. As these technologies become more accessible and affordable, more communities can shift towards cleaner energy sources. This transition not only mitigates climate change but also promises a future with cleaner air and more sustainable energy systems. 2. Energy efficiency. Energy efficiency might seem like a small change, but its impact is enormous. It involves optimizing how energy is used in our homes, offices, factories, and vehicles. Imagine a world where buildings are designed with better insulation, industries use cutting-edge technology to minimize waste, and cars are built to consume less fuel. These changes can lead to significant reductions in energy consumption. When energy is used efficiently, fewer resources are needed, leading to decreased emissions. This means that by simply being smarter with how we use energy, we can play a crucial role in tackling climate change while saving money on energy bills. 3. Reforestation and afforestation. Reforestation and afforestation are like giving the planet a breath of fresh air. By planting trees and restoring degraded forests, we can capture CO2 from the atmosphere naturally. Trees act as nature's lungs, absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. Forests also provide habitats for countless species, preserving biodiversity. As we see more forests being cut down, initiatives to replant and restore these vital ecosystems become essential. Not only do they help combat climate change, but they also enhance the beauty and health of our planet. Imagine walking through a lush forest. It's not just a sight to behold but a powerful tool against climate change. 4. Carbon capture, utilization, and storage, CCUS. Carbon capture, utilization, and storage, CCUS, might sound like a complex scientific term, but it's a straightforward concept. It involves capturing CO2 emissions from industrial processes or directly from the air and then storing or reusing them. Industries like steel and cement are vital to our modern world but are notoriously hard to decarbonize. CCUS offers a solution by capturing emissions before they reach the atmosphere. Once captured, CO2 can be stored underground or even used in the production of other goods. This technology is like giving industries a second chance to be part of a sustainable future. 5. Electrification of transportation. The electrification of transportation is revolutionizing how we move. By transitioning from internal combustion engine vehicles to electric vehicles, EVs, we can drastically reduce emissions from one of the largest pollution sources, transportation. EVs powered by renewable energy sources like solar or wind are not only cleaner but often more efficient. Imagine a city where the hum of electric cars replaces the roar of gas engines, and the air is cleaner for everyone to breathe. As charging infrastructure improves and EV prices drop, this dream is quickly becoming a reality. This shift promises not just a reduction in emissions but also a more sustainable and healthier future. 6. Sustainable agriculture. Sustainable agriculture is about growing food in harmony with nature. Practices like regenerative farming, agroforestry, and reducing food waste are essential components. These methods improve soil health, ensuring that the ground remains fertile for future generations. Sustainable agriculture also focuses on reducing methane emissions from livestock, which contribute significantly to global warming. By adopting these practices, farmers can lower the carbon footprint of food systems. Not only does this benefit the environment, but it also leads to healthier, more resilient crops. In essence, it's about feeding the world while nurturing the planet. 7. Circular economy. The circular economy is a transformative approach to how we produce and consume goods. Instead of following the traditional take, make, dispose model, the circular economy emphasizes designing products and processes to minimize waste. This involves reusing materials, recycling resources, and extending the lifespan of products. By reducing the demand for raw materials, we can cut emissions associated with manufacturing and disposal. Imagine a world where waste is seen as a resource, and everything has a second life. This approach not only conserves resources but also fosters innovation and resilience in our economies. 8. Shift to plant-based diet. Shifting to plant-based diets is a simple yet powerful change individuals can make. By reducing meat and dairy consumption in favor of plant-based foods, we can lower methane emissions from livestock. The production of meat and dairy requires significant land and resources, often leading to deforestation and habitat destruction. Plant-based diets offer a more sustainable alternative, requiring fewer resources and generating fewer emissions. This dietary shift not only benefits the planet but also promotes health and wellness. Imagine a world where our plates are filled with colorful, nutritious foods that nurture both our bodies and the environment. 9. Smart grids and energy storage. Smart grids and energy storage are reshaping how we think about electricity. By using technology to optimize energy distribution, we can ensure a reliable energy supply while integrating more renewable sources into the grid. Smart grids can adjust energy flows based on demand, reducing waste and enhancing efficiency. Energy storage systems, like batteries, allow us to store surplus renewable energy for later use. This means that even when the sun isn't shining or the wind isn't blowing, we can still rely on clean energy. These innovations promise a more resilient and sustainable energy future, where power is always available when needed. 10. Innovative cooling technologies. Dutch Harbor, part of the Aleutian Islands, is renowned for its extreme wind conditions. Residents have learned to construct homes with aerodynamic designs, minimizing the impact of the gales. Loose items are securely fastened to prevent them from becoming dangerous projectiles during high winds. This attention to detail and safety underscores the community's commitment to living harmoniously with the natural elements. By adopting these measures, Dutch Harbor residents have created a safe and resilient environment, proving that even the fiercest winds can be tamed with ingenuity and care.